Welcome the our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Xero for tax rates and VAT settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Xero for tax rates and VAT settings, begin by accessing the Xero website. Log into your Xero account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings option in the main menu. Click on settings to open the settings page. Find the advanced settings section. Within Advanced Settings, select API to manage your API credentials. Click on Add a new application to create a new API key. Fill in the required details for your application, including the name and description. Set the permissions for your application based on your needs. Save the application to generate your API key and secret. Copy the API key and secret for later use. Next, head to the Xero Developer Portal. Log in with your Xero account again if prompted. Look for the OAuth 2.0 authorization setup. Follow the instructions to configure the OAuth consent screen. Select the appropriate scopes for accessing tax rates and VAT settings. Complete the authorization setup and save the configuration. Return to your application and initiate the OAuth flow. Use this access token to make API calls to Xero for tax rates and VAT settings. With the access token, you can query the tax rates endpoint to retrieve current rates. Also, check the VAT settings endpoint to ensure compliance. Implement the necessary error handling in your integration for a seamless experience. Regularly update your access token to maintain authentication with Xero securely. Follow these steps to ensure your integration with Xero is efficient and reliable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.